Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to turn on your HC-550 hunting camera from G-Vision. So as you can see already, the camera on my desk, and I'm going to pop up this lid on the bottom, and then as you see you probably have it on off, or you probably have it on off, so just go either test if you want to take some photos, or you can go left and go on. And as you will see right now, then it should pop up just right in this second, or either you can use it by clicking the pilot right now. And as you will see right now, I'm gonna switch it to test. And as you see, test works, so just go into test if you want to take some pictures, or go into on if you wanted to record it at any time. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.